What does it look like when money is no object and beauty is the only goal? Right now, you are about to step inside the most stunning luxury interiors ever created on this planet. These are not simply expensive homes. These are living works of art, spaces where the world's finest architects, designers, and artisans have poured their genius into every square inch. From soaring penthouses that touch the clouds to Mediterranean estates steeped in centuries of elegance, today we explore interior design at its absolute pinnacle. Welcome to a world most people will never see. Let us begin where many of these extraordinary journeys start, the grand entrance. In ultra-luxury properties, the foyer is not merely a passageway. It is a statement. Imagine walking through hand-carved mahogany doors into a space where a two-story crystal chandelier, containing over 10,000 individual pieces of bohemian glass, cascades light across walls finished in rare Calicata Borghini marble. The floors beneath your feet are not simply stone. They are art installations, featuring intricate inlay work that took master craftsmen 18 months to complete. In one Manhattan penthouse recently listed for over $200 million, the entrance gallery spans nearly 80 feet in length, designed specifically to display a rotating collection of contemporary masterpieces. The walls themselves were engineered with museum-quality climate control and lighting systems, transforming the space into a private gallery rivaling any institution in the world. This is what separates luxury from ultra-luxury. Every element serves a purpose, and that purpose is perfection. Now let us move into the living spaces where daily life unfolds, though there is nothing ordinary about daily life in homes like these. The great rooms in ultra-luxury properties often feature ceiling heights exceeding 25 feet, creating a sense of volume and grandeur that takes your breath away. In the finest examples, these spaces blend seamlessly with the outdoors through walls of floor-to-ceiling glass that disappear entirely at the touch of a button. Picture yourself in a Bel Air estate where the living room opens completely to reveal an infinity edge pool that appears to merge with the Los Angeles basin sprawling below. Inside, a custom fireplace constructed from 300-year-old reclaimed French limestone serves as the anchor point, its mantel hand-carved with motifs that pay homage to the property's architectural heritage. The furniture throughout is not purchased from showrooms. Each piece is commissioned directly from ateliers in Milan, Paris, and Copenhagen, designed specifically for this one room, never to be replicated. The attention to detail in these spaces borders on obsessive, and that obsession is precisely what makes them magnificent. Perhaps nowhere is craftsmanship more evident than in the ceilings of the world's most beautiful interiors. While most homes feature plain white expanses above, ultra-luxury properties transform this canvas into something extraordinary. In a restored palazzo overlooking Lake Como, master artisans spent 3 years recreating 16th-century frescoes using techniques unchanged since the Renaissance. Real gold leaf, ground lapis lazuli pigments, and brushes made from the finest sable hair brought mythological scenes to life across 2,000 square feet of curved plaster. Modern interpretations are equally impressive. A Dubai penthouse features a ceiling installation of hand-blown Murano glass in graduating shades of azure, creating the illusion of looking up through crystalline Mediterranean waters. The effect is so mesmerizing that visitors often find themselves standing motionless for minutes, lost in its hypnotic beauty. Across the globe on the French Riviera, we find a different expression of luxury altogether. Here, a Belle Époque villa combines old-world European elegance with contemporary comfort in perfect harmony. Silk wall coverings hand-painted in lion depict pastoral scenes that wrap entire rooms in timeless sophistication. The windows are dressed in fabrics from heritage mills that have supplied royal households for generations. Crystal doorknobs, bronze hardware with centuries-old patinas, and floors of reclaimed oak from dismantled French chateaux connect residents to history while surrounding them in unparalleled beauty. The terraces of such estates deserve special mention. Imagine breakfast on a limestone loggia overlooking the sparkling Mediterranean, surrounded by century-old olive trees and the intoxicating scent of jasmine. These outdoor rooms are designed with the same meticulous attention as interior spaces, featuring weather-resistant furnishings that cost more than most automobiles and outdoor kitchens equipped to prepare Michelin-starred cuisine. Now let us explore the kitchens themselves, which in ultra-luxury properties have evolved into showpieces of design and technology. Gone are the days when kitchens were hidden service areas. Today's finest homes feature culinary spaces wrapped in book-matched marble slabs selected personally from quarries in Italy. Islands stretch 15 feet or more, topped with surfaces so flawless they appear to glow from within. The appliances in these kitchens come from names like Gagano, La Cornu, and Molteni, with professional-grade equipment that would satisfy any world-class chef. Custom cabinetry features soft-close mechanisms, integrated lighting, and organizational systems that border on sculptural. One Beverly Hills kitchen reportedly cost $4 million to complete, featuring a collection of vintage copper cookware displayed like museum pieces and a breakfast nook with views stretching to Catalina Island. As we move into the private quarters, the master suites of ultra-luxury properties reveal intimacy elevated to an art form. These are not simply bedrooms. They are private sanctuaries spanning several thousand square feet, often encompassing sitting rooms, dual bathrooms, expansive closets, and private terraces. In one Aspen Mountain retreat, the master suite features a bedroom with retractable glass walls that open to a heated terrace overlooking snow-capped peaks. A double-sided fireplace, clad in slabs of book-matched onyx that seem to glow like amber honey, warms both the sleeping area and an adjacent reading lounge. The bed itself sits upon a platform of rare wood, its linens woven from Egyptian cotton with thread counts exceeding 1,500. The bathrooms in these suites deserve their own recognition. Picture his Enhurst facilities connected by a central spa featuring a soaking tub carved from a single block of Rose Aurora marble, a steam shower lined in mother of pearl, and heated floors that follow you from room to room. The fixtures are often plated in actual gold or platinum, not merely for extravagance but for their superior resistance to corrosion and timeless beauty. And then there are the amenities that transform these homes into private resorts. Wine cellars capable of holding 10,000 bottles, maintained at precise temperatures and humidity levels, often feature tasting rooms more impressive than commercial establishments. Home theaters rival commercial cinemas, with screens exceeding 20 feet and sound systems calibrated by acoustic engineers. Private wellness facilities include everything from professional gymnasiums to massage rooms, saunas, cold plunge pools, and even cryotherapy chambers. One Miami Beach mansion features an indoor basketball court with a retractable floor that reveals an Olympic-length swimming pool below. As the sun sets on these extraordinary properties, rooftop terraces come alive with fire features dancing against infinity pool edges, string lights casting warm glows across outdoor living rooms, and views that